So if you're looking for a portable table that you can use out maybe camping by the lake, the pool, any type of outings, and you want it easy to move around and carry it, this is definitely worth looking at. I do appreciate the brand sends to me so I could show you everything. So this does have a handle right here to carry it, but as you can see here, I'm holding it with one hand. Only weighs right around 12 pounds. When it's all compact, you can see here it's fairly thin, and it's once it gets extended out, it's right around 48 by right around 23 inches. So on the front here, we have these two little latches here. We just undo those, and then we go ahead and open it all up. Now it does come with a net. I'll show you in a minute just how you actually do that. So to open all this up, we're going to take this out, each leg, and it's going to pop in right here in the corners. Now we do have some additional legs here, but first I'm going to show you at one height that you can set it at. One is just like this. Maybe you're sitting at the beach and you're on one of those little chairs that sits real low, so you don't need a table that's very high. So this right here is right around 15 inches. And then we also have our legs. We can go ahead and extend that up to right around 27 or 28 inches. Now you can see here, it's a pretty good size. Like I said, it is right around 48 inches almost in length and a couple of feet wide. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna flip it back over and we're gonna put these legs on here. Now these legs, these are all metal. They do have these little clips right here. So you can stick this in here. It doesn't matter where you put it because you can turn these around if you wanted to, but they just push right in and you can pull them right out. So it's real simple to do that. And we've also got these little clips here that hold it. So let's go ahead and then you can also see here the legs, they're also adjustable too. You just kind of screw on out. Do that. And there you go. Really, from the time you unfold it and open it up, you could have this set up within about 60 seconds. And now we've got a little table. Now it does come with this little net, so you can go ahead and put additional items underneath the net. And it does have little hooks here. Of course, these are all metal hooks. And the place that these are going to go at, to show it better, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of tilt this table up a little bit. Each leg actually has these little holes right here, one on each leg, and that's where I'm going to go ahead and hang the net up. So I've got the net all in. One thing I failed to mention to you is also we've got these little latches here. Once you unfold the table, just slide that out there. There's one on each side. That way it's going to secure the tabletop so it's not going to fold in. Now you can see what it all looks like. It's got a nice metal frame, the metal legs. Also, it has a capacity of 165 pounds. And this top is actually water resistance. This is just an MDF that's coated with this material to keep the water from penetrating, so that way we can go ahead and use it on the outside too. Now also at the end of the table, these are the same latches that we use to go ahead and keep the table closed and secure. So you can go ahead and hang those down to go ahead and hang additional items off, especially if you want to keep them off the ground because of bugs and ants and things like that. So what I like about this is it's so portable. I mean, it really is nice and light at 12 pounds. So, I mean, this is pretty good, right? And it's good and sturdy. It can hold 165 pounds. Of course, I'm putting down probably about 50 pounds on it. It's not moving anywhere. And then when you're ready to go ahead and fold it up, we've got a latch here, one on the back side. You see here, it just folds up like that. But what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take off this net first. You could just leave it on too if you want, but it's just easier to go ahead and put everything up. when it's out of the way, we just take the legs off and just snap right on in there. And this holder is good and secure. It's holding these tubes in. We just pop that up, flip that over like that. Take our net, just put it in the middle. And then on the end, we've got these latches again, these little hooks. And we're done. So from out of your vehicle to folding it out in 60 seconds, super easy to use, compact. And then when you're not using it, of course, you just put it in your garage or just wherever to go ahead and keep it stored, since it's just really nice and thin and light and easy to move around. Hope you found this review helpful.